Welcome to Cooking Cronies. If you're returning, welcome back. We're so happy to have you here. I'm Vicki Marie, and today I'm going to show you how to make these healthier pumpkin muffins. They're made with whole wheat flour and they're sweetened with maple syrup. You could also sweeten them with honey. They are so good. The perfect baking recipe for this time of year. Check the description for a list of ingredients, as well as the website where I originally found this recipe. And leave us a comment. Let us know, what is your favorite fall recipe? I'm going to start by adding a third cup of the coconut oil into my bowl. I am using the whisk attachment on my KitchenAid. I have melted that coconut oil in the microwave, by the way. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of maple syrup. This is 100% maple syrup. You could also use honey. And next I'm going to add 2 eggs to this. And we'll go ahead and get this blended up really well. And next I'm going to add 1 cup of pureed pumpkin. This is actually just canned pureed pumpkin. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. You could use regular milk if you like. You could probably use coconut milk. And now you want to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice blend, and if you don't have that, just do what I'm doing. I'm adding a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of the ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. And now we're just going to mix that up. That's how you create pumpkin spice. I'm going to add this to my mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to get this all blended up, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this bowl off my mixer stand, and for the remaining ingredients we'll be using a spoon to mix it. I'm going to stir in 1 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, and next I'm going to stir in 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats. And now I'm going to spoon this batter into 12 muffin cups that I have prepared with paper liners. You could also spray your muffin pan with spray butter or oil, but I am using the muffin cups today. And this is going to fill these muffin cups up completely, and these are 12 full-size muffin cups, not the mini cups. And finally, this is optional, but I am going to top this with just a sprinkle of old-fashioned oats on each one, and a little sprinkle of turbinado sugar. And that's it. I'm going to place this in an oven that's been preheated to 325 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes. These came out perfectly after 25 minutes. You can use a toothpick, insert it in the center, make sure it comes out clean, and adjust your time as needed. These are so good, pretty healthy, and you can eat them any time of the day or year. You don't just have them in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let us know in the comments if you did, and we'll see you next time. God bless.